Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
The kids to church more. Because that's
I don't know, what is that? Woo! That's the horse clippity clopping.
His girlfriend.
Clippity clop, clippity clop, clippity clop.
Zach's girlfriend. Yeah. Zach has a girlfriend. Yeah. They were here yesterday in his room and they were playing that music.
He's gonna buck you off there if you're not nice to him.
I was out getting groceries.
The Lone Ranger.
Mommy.
Giddy up, cowboy.
Your girlfriend? No.
Whoa, whoa.
Jackie. And Jackie isn't your girlfriend?
Get along, little doggy.
Well, and you were in here working together?
Yeah, she's helping me out with social studies.
What's that horsey's
Shut
name?
up! No one asked you.
Don't say shut up.
Does that horsey have a name yet?
A freshman.
No?
Oh, she's nice. You'd like her.
Oh, I'm sure I would. And she is welcome
What's
to
his
study here
name?
anytime. But only when
I
Jackie
can't
is
hear
here
you.
and only in the living room.
But the computer's in here.
Go up. Giddy up. Giddy up, horsey. I don't know if you better name him that. You name him Giddy up, that means go.